Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use Python pandas to create pivot tables in Excel. Pivot tables are powerful tools for data analysis and summarization, allowing you to easily analyze and visualize data in a tabular format. We'll go through the process step by step and provide code examples along the way. Before we begin, make sure you have pandas installed. You can install it using the following command. The openpyxl library is required to work with Excel files in pandas. Let's start by importing the required libraries in your Python script or Jupyter notebook. For this tutorial, let's assume you have a dataset in a CSV file named sample_data.csv. You can load the data into a pandas data frame using the following code. Replace sample_data.csv with the path to your actual data file. Now, we can create a pivot table using the pivot_table function in pandas. Suppose you want to analyze the average sales for each product category and region. Here's an example. In this example, once you have created the pivot table, you can export it to an Excel file using the to_Excel function. This will create an Excel file named pivot_table_output.xlsx with your pivot table. Congratulations! You've successfully created a pivot table in Excel using Python pandas. This tutorial covered the basic steps, but keep in mind that pandas provides many options for customizing pivot tables based on your specific analysis requirements. Explore the pandas documentation for more advanced features and options. Feel free to adapt the code examples to your specific use case and data sets. Happy coding! ChatGPT